So nothing caps off a nice looking lawn better than one of these, or in this case, several of them. More flamingos, the better. This sucker here's a new addition to the family. I got this from the neighbor. They put it in the lawn. So the last thing to top it all off is these here. These are zombie flamingos. So I went over to the Ace Hardware and they're like, hey guy, have I got something for you? And look at that, that is a real treat. So I don't know that I could ask for anything better than that. Got the lawn that looks like that. That is like the cherry on the top. People will always say, well, what the heck? Why do you got those stupid flamingos in your yard? And I'm like, you kidding me? Why don't you have those flamingos in yours? Those things turn heads. When they turn their head, check out what they see. Amazingness. So the hardest part about mowing this is just that you can't see where the lines are. The sun's right in your face. You can see the sun there, and I'm walking right into it. It's hard to see where the lines are. You can see them as you're looking this direction, but as you're looking back the opposite way, very, very difficult to see where you're mowing. Not exactly sure what's going on, but there's a truck right there, kind of stop, creeping style. I'm not sure what he wants. I think he wants something from me because he's just creeping. I'm gonna pull over here, walk up here and see if he wants something. I don't know what it is. Creep style. Hey.
Hello, I gotta ask you.
Yeah?
You run a golf course?
No. I run this one.
So are you lining up your design for your mowing?
With that machine, that is the mower.
No, with your...
No, this is for YouTube.
Oh. 'Cause I thought
So you're on camera.
Oh.
with your pattern?
Yeah? Okay, so those guys are just wondering what's going on. He saw my camera and he thought that I was using the camera on this tripod as a GPS device to line up the mower. And I see something going on over here that I'm not liking. I'm gonna have to go over there and check it out. See that guy over there? I'm not liking this scenario. I wanna see what is going on here, and he's gonna be pissed. He's gonna be like, get that camera out of my face. What do you want? Like all those men in there. All the men, they're like mean.
What are you doing?
What do you care? What the crap is this all about?
Oh, dog?
You really think that's gonna take?
Well,
Doesn't look too hot, pal.
I happen to know a guy that knows how to bring dead grass back to life.
You got it. You got it right in your hand. Pretty late in the season to be putting sod down.
Got it for free.
Oh, I don't get one of those hats.
Just because you're not special. You guys buy it from
Dude,
Brand
I
X.
sit in a chair. You don't.
You buy your concrete from Brand X. That's the problem.
Oh, seriously.
You gotta buy it from Brand Y.
These guys, this guy, he does not know what he's talking about. Okay, so some of you guys were asking about this thing, okay? This is what you call an international school bus. He bought this sucker for like, what, 4,500 or 6 grand? Or he bought that thing for 37. How many miles did it have? Said it got 140,000 miles and he bought it for 37. And when he picked it up, it wasn't all murdered out like that with the windows, see that? It was straight up yellow. He murdered out the windows and then he got Mr. Painter to come over here and paint it. So this is the dude that's getting the Elsinore, remember? It was about, what, a year ago? You were riding out Elsinore and I told him that he just needed to wait a month or two and he'd get it. And lo and behold, he is getting it. Hold the phone, hold the phone, hold the phone. Cut it, cut it, cut it.
I can't.
Whose is this?
Yeah, the shithead.
Yeah, I know. So is that like a 74?
Yes.
For
I
real?
want it.
What?
I want it.
Okay, go buy it from him.
He won't let me.
Yeah, he sells everything.
He won't let me.
He'll sell it to you in like a month. He only
Okay.
keeps things for like a month.
Okay, I'll wait for the month then.
And he did some trade work with the neighbor and painted his school bus. A bright orange red or something like that. So he had the idea to put the rack on there, okay? And he's like, well, I want to go dirt bike. And I said, well, why don't you, where are you going to put the dirt bikes? On a trailer. So why don't you put them up on the top rack? He's like, I can't do that. How am I going to get them up there? I said, do what you can. Put a crane. So it was my idea to put the bikes up on top of the bus. And see that post up there? He's going to put a little jib crane up there with a winch and lift up the bikes up onto it, and he's going to be undercover there. Okay, so he says this is a year 2000. It's an international, and he's got the KC lights up there, the roof rack, the ladder to get up on there, and he proceeds to put in like $5 grand into the improving the interior of this bus. And he doesn't tell me what to do, I tell me what to do. So here's the back. Oh, you hear that? That's the school bus alarm saying the kids can't be getting in there. Can't be going through the back. See that? That's the alarm, so the kids can't get out the bus. Like the druggies can't sneak out the back, you know what I mean? Okay, so I'm in. I'm in like Flynn. So here's the deal. He's got a futon bed in here. Hammock for all your hammock needs, sleeping. He's torn out all the seats. This is what you call a kitchen table here. So this International is equipped with a full-size freezer, fridge, running on 110 power, okay? He's got himself an inverter up here that runs, microwave. All right, so the kitchen pantry's right here, full-size fridge there. This is the kitchen table equipped with a bunch of drawers and all that. There's the water heater on demand. Propane water heater, kitchen sink here. This thing's fully equipped with a bathroom, folks. Shower and everything, okay? It's got RV tanks down below, freshwater tanks. I think he's got 160 gallons or something, I don't know, kind of a lot. Got poo tanks, and that's disgustingly stinky in there. So this is what it looks like in here. Got the bathroom here, shower there, full hot water. Hot and cold water. You take a dump while you're taking a shower, which is really nice. Then up here he's got the family room, okay? So got your table and chairs, a full-blown couch set up with a couple of school bus seats over here, you know what I mean? And then this is the captain's seat. This is where all the magic happens. Actually, the magic happens back there, but this is where the driving goes down, okay? Got all your school bus stuff you could ever want or imagine to have right here, okay? It's just an absolutely incredible setup. So it's similar to one of those hashtag van life deals, but this is a little bit bigger. You've got a full bathroom to take a dump in, and a full bed, and a full kitchen sink. None of that just nasty little sink, you know? Like, this is the real deal. So right there, he's got the inverter. That's what turns the batteries. I think he's got a big old battery bank of 4 or 6 batteries or something underneath. Inverter to give us 110. And then right here, we got a heater, full-blown heater for the winter. And the heater is on the thermostat there, okay? Got lights here, LED lights. And that's pretty much it. That's the tour of the animal over here, and don't want the drug dealers getting out the bus. So you gotta have the buzzer to keep the drug dealers in the bus. Okay, so that's it. That's the tour of the bus. The Squatch Rider's bus. That's how he rolls. And I'm just wondering where he's trying to sneak off to this weekend without me. Where are you trying to sneak off to?
The Green River.
Oh, he's going down the green. All right, so I told you it was like 140 gallons of fresh water. It's actually 200. And the poo tank's really big too. So
50.
50-gallon poo tank, so you can just really poo your hearts out and use as much water as you can. Oh, is that the jet boat? No, that ain't no stinking jet boat.
Yeah, it is.
That's the jet boat? So here we got here, a bona fide jet boat, riverboat is what I think it is. I just don't see this as being a jet boat, but he says this, that ain't no, oh, wait a minute. It is a jet boat.
200 horse, 2-stroke.
200 horse, 2-stroke boat. This is a full-blown river boat. So he's got this boat so he can navigate up and down the Green River down near Moab, Utah. He goes down the Green River, starts in Green River, Utah. He navigates down the Green River, and then he meets up with the Colorado, and then they motor up the Colorado to Moab. So this boat here is only a supply boat, okay? This is only to haul fuel and to haul supplies. The real reason they're running this trip is for jet skis. The stand-up jet skis, they go down the Green River, downstream on stand-up jet skis. Not those wave runners that just sit down. We're talking the full-blown jet skis. It goes downriver and then upriver 60 miles. Downriver 40, upriver 60 miles to Moab, up the Colorado River, the raging rapids, all that stuff. And they take this boat as the supply boat to haul fuel for the jet skis and sandwiches. All in the while, the guys are on the jet skis taking a piss in their wetsuits. All day long, they don't take the wetsuits off, they just let her rip right there. And I'm like, why am I not going on this trip to drive the jet boat? And he's trying to keep these things secretive from me. It's like, well, no, I can't tell you where I'm going, I can't tell you. So why? I could be the jet boat driver. Tell you what, it's just a bunch of crap. Here comes some more of the crew. See that? That's some more of the crew coming in. See, look at that. He's hauling a fuel tank. That's gonna go on the jet boat. That's the fuel tank to supply the machines with fuel. So you're gonna actually not be messing around this time and take things serious? Because I heard last time you didn't take things serious.
I never take things serious.
He told me that when you guys put the machines in the water, you're buzzing all around, not taking things serious.
Exactly.
And it caused you a day. And you didn't make it because you didn't take it serious.
It caused us a day because of Mark.
Daddy-o?
Mark was driving like a mile an hour the whole time. And
Because he was worried about his boat.
He kept running into the sandbars.
So last time they tried this on a full-blown pontoon boat with propeller, they made it, but they just didn't do it in the one day like they thought. So Mr. Neighbor here, he decides to go be cool and all that and to spend the real buckaroos on the jet boat. It's pretty well lit. That is a fire rescue dive boat up in Boise, Idaho. So he drove up to Boise, picked up the boat, and it's got a 200 horse jet engine on it. These guys, I tell you, they're freaking nuts. Sounds like a lot of fun, and I would love to do it, but they're going down there tomorrow, which is Friday, and I'm going to Des Moines, which is Friday, the 9th of October. Friday, October 9th, Des Moines, Iowa, 2020. Mr. Lawn Care himself, Ryan Yard, the sissy grass king. So I guess that pretty well shot my night. We're gonna do a little bit of mowing. And I think I will get the mower out. So I love that machine and I love the results it gives. Could be better, but it saves me a lot of freaking time. I think I mowed this lawn maybe 3 days ago. What is today? Today is Thursday. I think I mowed this on Monday or Tuesday. It looks good though. Look how short it is. See that? Short and flat and lovely. Short, flat, and awesome. So there it is, done. Thanks for watching. You guys are awesome. See you in the next one. If you guys want to see the kind of crap I have to deal with pretty much all year, right over here, it's right there. See that deer right there? One there, and then I'm gonna go around the corner. Check this out. Oh, they're gone, those freaking buttholes. See them over there next to the fence? Eating my trees and my flowers. See them? See them right there? Like, what are you doing? Get out of here! You're out! Seriously, these guys think that it's okay just to hang out in here. Like, scram! Scram! Scram out of here! Looks like two babies and a mother. You get!